Eating Burger King and Dairy Queen's new fast food releases. Maple Barbecue Whopper. Fantastic barbecue Whopper, and I added onions, but I wish I tasted more maple, so I'll go 8.8. Dairy Queen's new flamethrower chicken strip basket comes with ice cream for dip, ranch, and fries. And I got all this for $6.99, which is a really good deal. And if you're looking to eat healthy and get protein like these tenders, this app tells you the cheapest and healthiest options at any restaurant in the world. That's a super good tender and got a kick. Cools it down so nice. I'm giving that a 9. Never had their toast. So buttery. New pineapple and tahini cooler. Holy cow, that's delicious. Dairy Queen knocked all this out of the water. This is getting a 9.5. Battle of the Fry. They're honestly both equal. I thought that was ranch. I don't know, but it tastes good. What about the Whopper? That might be better than the tender. For the company! With the ice cream. I can definitely recommend all these new items, and stay tuned to see what I do with these fries.